The Crypto's Rich Boy. Today we're going to be talking about AGIX. But before we get started, guys, go ahead and like this video, subscribe to the channel, let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below, and share it with your friends. Now, AGIX or Singularity Net is an AI project. It is pioneering the future. It says, welcome to the next generation of decentralized AI. So, guys, I just wanted to kind of get in, talk a little bit about the price action, little bit, maybe get some updates on what the project is doing, and we can take it from there. So we have the price coming in at 32.72 cents. It is crazy. I did not realize that I was scrolling down. The all-time low was 4 years ago at point zero um 0.07, so a seventh of a penny or 7/10 of a penny, or technically it's like 3/4 of a penny because it's 7.497 that rounds up to 0.75, so 3/4 of a penny, and the all-time high was $1.86 6 years ago. So that is absolutely crazy because I did not know that. For some reason, I thought Singularity or AGIX, I know it had a pump earlier on this year. I was under the impression it was the project was less than a year old. But the crazy thing is I think these AI coins that are been around for years, I think that they're having their pumps and they're gonna continue to pump, right? I know Fetch has is pumping, AJX is pumping, and there are a lot of AI coins in the space that are pumping. Now the market cap is 408 million, so I think a lot of people, it is in the top what was in the top 125, now it's 126, and so it is in that top like 150, so it gives those more maybe investors that want to do a little bit less risk but still have a good reward. It gives them, a good feeling like, okay, this is in the top 150. It's not ranked like 10,000 out of 10,000 or whatever, or it's not some scam project. It is a legit project. The volume is $47 million, which is ranked 122, and they have a total or a max supply of 2 billion, the total supply of 1.3 billion, and the circulating supply of 1.249 billion. So that's 62% of the max supply. It does run on the Ethereum network. So let's go ahead and take a look. When we're talking about price, let's take a look and do some technical analysis. Now we have the daily chart right here. So as we can see, oh, hold on. There we go. Hold on. Let me go ahead and get rid of that. So as we can see, it has, it is in this channel right here, this upward channel, and that is a bullish sign. That means as long as we can stay in this channel, we are good. So I definitely see with the bull market kind of coming back into play, the bullish momentum sentiment, I definitely see this is a very, very positive thing. Um, so we are in this channel right here. As you can see, we tried to break out of it, kind of came back down. We kind of are testing this, testing this. So eventually, I think we're gonna end up breaking it, right? I think Bitcoin, I saw earlier, is back at 44,000. There, a lot of people are thinking, it's gonna be around 46 to 48, and then on into early next year, because a lot of people, right, buy the rumor, sell the news. A lot of people are waiting for this ETF, so it's keeping money into the market. And as long as people don't sell, right, as long as people do not sell, or if they made profits, maybe they lost a little bit. I learned something last night. Correct me if I'm wrong, but my understanding, so let's say, for example, like I made a bunch of money with Pepe, right? I made a bunch of money. Ended up paying off my house. It was great. So with Pepe, I made, thousands and thousands and thousands of dollars. So but then I kind of, I've had my house for 10 years, so I didn't know, I owed a little under 200,000. So, with that being said, so I had a little bit more than that. So I had more than that, but I gained that, but then I lost thousands of dollars too because I was trying to get into other meme coins and do shorts and longs and perpetuals and stuff like that. So I set up my tax stuff last night, and I learned that let's say you flipped, $1 into $1,000, right? And then you turn around, you cash it out, but then you put $1,000 in, 2, 3 months later in the same year, and it's still short term. And then within like a couple days, you lose it, right? You do a perpetual, you lose it. Technically, it washes out on taxes, from my understanding. I'm not a tax person, so don't quote me on that, but my understanding, it ends up washing out. So you're able to do that. One, besides meme coins, this year is been bullish, but if you don't sell, you don't have to claim those gains. So a lot of people, I think, are going to sell next year. So with the whole theory of people are going to be selling to get the market down so they can claim losses on their taxes, I don't think that's going to be the case. I think that we are going to continue to have an upward trend. I feel like we're going to be at $50,000 very soon in the next couple weeks, to be honest. I think the Bitcoin ETF is going to pop, and then I think the news of the halving, which in March, is going to kind of keep the momentum going. We might have a dip, maybe, but I think it's going to be a short-lived dip. And we did have a dip on the weekly. Anyway, back to AGIX, because that's the video. That's what you guys are here for. So that's what we'll talk about. So we have this upward channel right here. Now, there is in certain markets, there is I think a 67% chance that this breaks the downside. But if you really think about it, we're having that bullish momentum, so that could take months, right? So let's go ahead and take a look at the weekly chart. So if you look at the weekly chart, I mean, it just looks like a U, right? Or it looks like a V. So, it could form like a cup, maybe get back up to these levels right here, 50 cent, 51 cent, kind of trade sideways before blast off. And we're in price discovery mode according to trading view. Uh, but let's go ahead and take a look at some other stuff. So, man, why does it keep doing that? I have like a touch screen and a keypad, so sometimes like I have the laptop on my lap, and sometimes like my shirt like pushes the keypad, so it kind of like messes it up, but we'll try to work with it. So anyway, so guys, here is the level of resistance, and this is major resistance because you got to think back in May, this hit, it hit these levels, and so this is what we're really, really kind of needing to break. And as you're seeing, we're kind of running out of room, right? Hold on. Whoops. Hold on. All right, let me redo this one more time, guys. Okay. So we're kind of running out of room, right? So we have this channel coming up. We have this resistance right here. This is a very, very, very pivotal moment. If we could break this, if we can get like 34 cents, I think like 34, 35 cents, guys, we are definitely off. So that is kind of like the micro line, and then we have this next kind of micro line right here, which it kind of has hit. Look at that. Perfect, 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 perfect. So this is what I think is going to happen. We're going to have to, I think, we're gonna blow past this, guys. This is my opinion. I think instead of falling, I think with the bullish momentum, these bulls are gonna be like, why am I gonna sell for somebody else? Everyone's gonna think like that. Why am I gonna sell and drive this price down when we're having bullish momentum in the market? So I think what's gonna happen is we're just gonna get a bunch of people. It's gonna push it past this mark right here. It's gonna push it into this 36, 37. I think the momentum's going to be there. I think everyone's going to, all eyes on AGIX, and I think it's going to push past this. Now, the next level we have is this 44 cent level. If it pushes past that, then 47. If it pushes past that, then we have 51, and then on to the races. So those are kind of the key levels I'm looking for. Right now, short term, we are looking at that, that 33 to push past that, and I would say from about there to I would say maybe about here, this level right here. I think once we pass that 45 cent or even 50 cent levels, I think we are going to be in price discovery, and it's going to be absolutely just crazy, crazy. Now, that is my price, short-term pricing, my long-term pricing. So, gotta go over to the coin perspective. Tell me if you guys like these kind of videos while this is loading. I mean, a little bit of price, uh, what's it called? Price analysis, um, chart analysis, and maybe some price prediction. Is that kind of get everybody's attention? So let's see. So right now it looks like we're at a $406.4 million market cap. Guys, this is not even to $1 billion market cap. If this gets to the market cap right now, and this is before before all these pumps happen and stuff like that, if it gets to BNB, that is a 97x, guys, to get to BNB, and it'll worth about $31. That is almost 100x. So let's see if we can get, let's see, can I get, oops. If it gets to the crow, that's 500% gains. If it gets to, oh, here we go. That's what I'm looking for. If it gets to Cardano, right? That's a 50x from here. So guys, my price prediction, I definitely think we're going to blow past that $1 billion market cap. I think we're going to blow past um 2 billion, 3 billion. I think we could probably get probably around probably a chain link 8 billion. Let's see, what else? What else? Where are we at? Chain link. Where's Matic at? I think we can 10 to 15x from here. And that's just kind of my um realistic, right? So I think 15, I think we're at around 30 cent. 15x would be what, 5x would be $1.50, so 3 4.50. I think we can hit $5. Yeah. So I definitely think we can hit $5 to $7. So that is a 17x. That means you put $10,000, you can have $150,000 potentially from $10,000. And that is the great thing about crypto, guys. You guys will not find this in the stock market. You won't find this not even in Bitcoin anymore. You're not gonna be able to 20x Bitcoin. I don't think it's gonna happen. Not in the next 2 years, at least, in my opinion. My opinion, not financial advice. Um, so let me know what you guys think in the comment section about the price. Now let's go ahead and get let's see if we got any some cool news, right? So 128.8 thousand followers. So we are honored to invite you to the beneficial AGI Summit and Unconference 2024. BGI 2024 will convene a worldwide community to discuss how to guide AGI governance and leverage generally intelligent machines to support ethical, social, and economic progress. Also, dear Singularitans, Singularians. I say it in my mind, but when I try to say it out loud, it doesn't work. So they're just telling you about the event. Let's see. 24 hours ago, the trailer drops tomorrow. Um, Vita Povita, Hyper Project Manager shares the latest on Open. Let's see. Oh, this is kind of cool. The Singularity Net ETH BEP bridge facilitates the seamless transfer of tokens between the Ethereum and Binance networks, starting with Coqui Ka Kakito Protocol, Governance Token, CGV. So guys, it is bridging. That is absolutely amazing. Projects that are able to bridge these major, like these other major projects, I think that's going to have a huge use case, right? And I think that's going to cause a lot more volume. So AI is the future, guys. I know that they just also, I heard that AGIX and Fetch, they partnered up, which is absolutely amazing as well. Um, and so, they had a big run in the beginning of the year. I definitely think that this is one I do hold. Little disclaimer: I do hold this coin. It is, I think, ranked number. I think 4 out of 10, 5 out of 10 of my major coins. I have 10 altcoins that I've kind of went through. We could kind of go through that in a later video. So make sure you're subscribed. So my 10 picks of the 2024-2025 bull run. And AGIX is on there. So I have just to kind of go, I have crypto.com, I have Crowcoin, I have XRP, I have AGIX, and then I have Pepe, I have Singularity, or no, I already said that. Sorry. I have TCG2. I hold some other small cap coins. I'll have to go through my list and make an official video, but I'll do that later date. So anyway, guys, like this video, subscribe to the channel. Make sure you guys you know, do comment down below. Where do you guys think AGIX can hit? Do you guys think $5 is too much, too little, just right? But that is my realistic price prediction. We all know crypto is never realistic though, so it could probably go a lot higher. Actually, I do think it's a lot higher. I just want to kind of keep a realistic thought process. So when, I'd rather shoot low and it go high, right? So you guys can be like, whoa, like you said 10x at 20x, like thank you for getting me in. That 10x would have been awesome. Rather than you said it could trillion x and it only a billion x and man, I'm only a trillionaire, but I was hoping to be a quadrillionaire and man, shame on you. You know what I mean? But so anyway, like, comment, subscribe. Till next time, guys.